Hello. Welcome to how to use Mikrotik router as a network storage server. First of all, you need an external hard drive of as large capacity as possible. Don't connect it to the router yet, connect it to a computer. On that computer you format it and create shared folders as you wish. After you've done that, you connect it to the router. I access the router remotely. On the device management page, you go to File Management to make sure the router has detected the external hard drive. And you will know the path to the folder you just created in the previous step. You use this path to create the shared folder in the next step. Next, I create a new shared folder. You name the shared folder and browse to the folder on your external hard drive. Don't forget to enable file sharing on the router. Next, you create a new account. This account is used to access the folder shared just created. After completing the account creation, you allow it to access the shared folder. The basic setup steps are completed. Now you use a computer to access the server via the network. You access the shared folder using the router's IP address. You use the newly created account to access that folder. Access is successful. I will upload any file to check the result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can access the shared resource using the name instead of the IP address. You set up static domain name resolution on the router as follows. With the above method, you can access the shared folder using the name you defined. Good luck.